Can you see these little cute sea monkeys?
Ubin Science Time! Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to grow baby sea monkeys. First, it says we need to put warm water in a container. Let's open the box. Put warm water in a container. And put the monkeys. Wait, I think I need scissors. Wow, look at this. You can see sea monkeys' eggs, but when we put in water, we can see. Can you see this black spot? They are sea monkeys' eggs. Now stir it for 1 minute. You just need to wait for 4 days. 4 days have passed. Ta-da! Abracadabra! Look at this.
Can you see these little cute sea monkeys swimming around?
Let's feed them. Hi, cute little friend. This is what sea monkeys eat. What? You can see that sea monkeys are eating. Thank you for watching my TV. See you next time. Bye.